Well, outside Pune, at least 21 people have been killed and nearly 200 are feared buried under a landslide that hit a village after torrential rains took place yesterday. Officials fear the number of dead may rise as rescue efforts unearth more of what's buried underneath. As you can see the images on your screen, mountains of mud and slush indicative of a logistical nightmare for rescue workers. There's also been rain through the night and this morning. Home Minister Rajnath Singh is going to be visiting the affected area later today, as will NCP Supremo Sharad Pawar.
एकदम बहुत सारा पहाड़ी का हिस्सा ढह गया और करीब 44 घर उसमें ढह गए। उन 44 घरों में 158 के करीब लोग रहते थे, ऐसा अंदेशा है। महाराष्ट्र शासन पूरी तरह से मालीन गांव के लोगों के साथ है। हमारा अभी पहला कर्तव्य जो है वो लोगों को बचाने का है, बाकी सब बातें बाद में होंगी।
We are giving all our help to the NDRF. We are doing the crowd control also and traffic management also. Out of the 46 homes which came under the debris and 158 people were trapped. So remaining 125 people approximately we have to take care, and we will see, we will do our best.
With more rain expected, the rescue efforts are going on with hopes that under the debris there continue to be people alive who can be taken out. But with more than 21 dead and weather conditions being very inconvenient, the rescue efforts are being hampered. You can see those mounds of mud over there which are also hampering the rescue efforts. NDTV's Saurabh Gupta is reporting from the site.
What you see behind me is all that's left of Malin village in Ambegaon Taluka of Pune district after an entire landslide brought this hillside down. If I can ask my camera person to show you, that's the height from which this entire amount of slush came down and landed here. And of course the NDRF has been working all night to try and rescue people from this rubble. You can see these cranes at work. Joining me now is Commandant Alok Avasthi of the NDRF. Sir, it's been all night, you've been working. How many people have you managed to retrieve so far?
23 dead, 8 live. And because of the heavy rain, you are seeing the work has become more difficult.
Right, sir. In fact, sir, I wanted to talk about the challenges you're facing, and in spite of that, you managed to bring out 8 people alive. That's no mean feat.
I can say that God helps the braves. That I can say. We are working, we are trying hard. That's why we are able to save 8 people.
So also tell us, in this slush, how is this slush like, posing a barrier to your operation, rescue operation?
The slush, the mud with the water, it has become marshy slush. And you can see the heavy machinery are also not able to work properly. So it is making our job difficult.
Thank you so much for speaking to us, sir. Well, Mr. Avasthi, they're giving us an update of the rescue operations, but if I can ask my camera person to show you, just look at the amount of water flow here, and this will give you an idea of how heavily it's raining and how difficult it is for these men to actually carry out this rescue operation. All that's left of Malin village is this Zilla Parishad office. On your right, on your left here, if I can ask my camera person to show you, that's all that's left of the village. Everything in this village has come down, and if I can ask my camera person to come a little forward and show you the entire hillside, that's completely come down. Just look at this. This used to be an entire village. Look at that huge landslide that has brought down nearly 50 houses with it. 50 houses lie buried beneath this rubble, and rescue teams are having a difficult time because of the heavy rain here to carry out these rescue operations. Even these heavy duty cranes are finding it difficult to dig through the slush to excavate and find people. Chances of finding people alive grow slimmer and slimmer as time progresses, and the rain is not making it any easier. But officials are hoping against hope that they will be able to bring out some people alive, and their biggest fear is that the death toll could go up significantly, as there are around 150 people still trapped under the debris. At least that's what estimates say. Now today we know Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh and the NCP chief, Mr. Sharad Pawar, is expected to visit this area. The local MLA of this area is the Maharashtra Assembly Speaker, Mr. Dilip Walse Patil. He was here all evening yesterday top officials of the Maharashtra government, including the Chief Minister Prithviraj Sawan and Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar were here. They told us that the entire state machinery has been put into force, but of course a challenging task for rescue teams till the rains let up. With camera person Dinesh Harale at Malin village in Ambegaon Taluka of Pune district, Saurabh Gupta, NDTV.